everyone, I'm Allie, co-founder of Potomac Beads, and I get to do an awesome product reveal for you for the Halo Bead SuperDuo. So you may love our Halo beads, which are 1 or 2 whole round beads that are going to go around, being a halo, around a 6mm bead. So what better bead to go around than a SuperDuo? So we decided to make this the next bead in the Halo series of the Potomax product. They are manufactured in Greece for us and are in that wonderful Zamak metal coating. And the Halo SuperDuo is going to go and fit perfectly around a SuperDuo bead. There's some other beads here that I'll talk through and show you exactly how they're going to fit and what they look like. But I want to go over the fact that the SuperDuo Halo bead is going to be the 5.6 by 7.9 millimeters. The inner diameter does fit the exact SuperDuo, so if you're looking to kind of see exactly what beads will fit in, you can check out this video. Also keep in mind I have better beader videos that show you exactly which beads can be replaced for other beads that may even lead to some more ideas. I actually just finished recording and doing a video on these bloom earrings, a nice addition of the Halo SuperDuos with SO beads as well. So going on to that scale, there are a number of different beads that will actually fit in these Halo Bead SuperDuos, which are going to include, of course, SuperDuos and the SO bead, which basically sits up and is a little bit higher arched version of the SuperDuo. I have the mini SO here, a Super 8, which you can see is a little bit tiny. Throw some demi rounds on either side of that. You'll fit well. I have a Monty just to show the option that you can put a Monty in there, and that's an SS12 Monty. There is a quarter Tila bead kind of floating and hanging out there. I have one up there as well. And then also the mini duo right there next to the SuperDuo to show the variants. I also have a 3mm Swarovski crystal round in there. That 3mm Swarovski crystal round fits exactly in the middle, taking both strands through that same round and then separating them out so you see the edges and that kind of boho chic design of the metal around it. During one of our live Twitch streams where I introduced this on the fly, I also played with some 15-Os, making a little check. The 11-Os using 2 gets a little bit tight in there. SuperDuo, perfect fit. SuperDuo Mini, a little bit small, but still fits in. Again, that quarter Tila. Then a little bit of fun with those 2 3x4mm Miyuki drops. And because of the way that they are, I could also put 2 more on this side and have almost a beaded bead right away. And then the 2 8s, which fit a little bit cockeyed, a little bit funky. I played around just doing a fun pendant. Again, did these bloom earrings in a nice easy version with some gecko beads in between, and really am having fun with, and the ideas are flowing. So you'll see lots of videos featuring and using this Halo Bead SuperDuo, which we are excited to bring you in packs of 10 and packs of 20. We have them in kind of the standard colors that we have: the gunmetal, the gold, the antique brass, the copper, rose gold, which you can see I've been using a lot, as well as the antique silver. If you do need any of these Halo SuperDuo beads, you can check out the links below me to shop with us online at potomacbeads.com, as well as potomacbeads.eu. You can always also give a little thumbs up. Tell us what you're most excited to use them with and which designs you might throw them in, or give suggestions and ideas to others that are watching the video. Keep in mind you can also subscribe to this YouTube channel if you don't already. We'd love to have you follow us and get regular updates from us here at Potomac Beads. As always, thanks so much for watching and have fun with your new Halo Bead SuperDuos.